Hey everyone, I just wanted to put out a few recent updates on the channel for the AR4 robot project. The first thing is that with the recent change in tariff policies, I've worked with Stepper Online to reduce the gear motor and driver kit prices, and I've reduced the robot kit price back to the pre-tariff levels. So the total cost to build the AR4 is now back down to just below 1900. The project goal has always been to provide a solid open source aluminum frame arm that's got a good payload capacity and keep robots like this accessible to as many people as we can. And, I think that's really important, especially now. I think we're somewhere around 1,500 universities and colleges worldwide are using the robot in their programs. And then, of course, we've got, probably 10 times that in hobbyists and business owners using it. So, it's an exciting project. It's been fulfilling for me to keep working on it, and I've been putting quite a bit of time into it lately. I also have 3 new tutorials on the website. So if you go to the tutorials page, I've got new tutorials on programming, motion types, and also on ROS2. So I'm trying to make sure that each of those have a real thorough explanation and they end with a good project example that you can work on. And then I'm also working on a new vision tutorial that's going to go over, how to set up the robot with a camera and some of the OpenCV libraries that are used. So that's what's up next. So anyway, just wanted to let everybody know on the prices, and reach out to me if you have any questions. My email is info@annonrobotics.com, and thanks for watching. Bye.